Hello, welcome to Progressive Roofing's Rufus FCS software. Today I'm going to show you about the budget matrix. First you're going to do is you're going to log in to your properties. And when you log in, make sure that you take it off FCS admin, put an FCS view. And this is a fictitious company, but if it was your company, you would have your logo right here. Okay, and these are the properties uh, that we have put in the system for you, either through doing work or doing through roof inspections. Most roof inspections are required annually by the roof material manufacturers in order to keep your warranty. Now, over here is a simple little tab. It's called Budget Matrix. And when you click on this, you basically will have all your properties, and right now it's set up to have all the replacement of replacing those roofs at those properties, uh, and so you have grand totals. And what this allows you to do, it allows you to forecast and budget for these replacements. Roofs do not last forever, so forecasting for those re-roofs is very important uh, to the financials of any corporation. The roof is very important. Uh, in construction, they say roofs only account for 10% of the construction costs, but 90% of the problems down the road. So roof replacement is important not just for the roof itself, but it protects the whole building envelope and everything that you have inside, computers, electronics, uh, and everything of that nature. Now, another thing you could do is you want to look at sites specifically. Like for instance, you say you went to this Dallas office here. This is actually our Dallas office, our roofs there. But basically, you go down here and you see to get the square footage. Uh, these are all three different buildings and three different roofs. Now, some roofs, which I'll show you later, will have multiple sections. But if you click on this budget matrix right here, it gives you a little bit more information. It gives you uh, the replacement cost of each of these roofs and a grand total, but it also gives you the cost for some of those repairs that need to be done. This is very, very important. And instead of having to go all the way back, you can just go straight to another property and see how this has different sections. This is one roof with different sections. And you can see what was the cost for the repairs for those individual sections and the cost of replacement uh, of different sections, but more importantly, the entire cost of replacing the roof. Now, another thing that you can do in the budget matrix is you can kind of switch this around in the main by going here to edit mode and unclicking these right here and basically click the different repairs. Now, this would take a while if you had multiple properties. Like if you had 300 properties or more, it'd take a while. So most of the time, it's left on the replacement data because that's one of the most important things to forecast. But if you did these to all the properties, they would go here, emergency remedial. So you notice that the replacement was taken out. But yeah, the budget matrix, there's a lot for companies. The more properties you have, uh, it becomes a very, very important tool to budget monies out, to prepare in the future, to allow yourself to forecast years in advance for roof replacements instead of getting caught when you're in dire need of a roof replacement and you have some budgeting issues. So this really allows you to forecast those monies that are needed for those roof replacements. And just to let you know, when we put in roof replacement numbers into our system, those are budget numbers. We usually try to keep it higher than what it would actually be. There's reasons for that. Reasons is we don't know what the cost of materials are going to be, 10 years from now or 5 years from now. Are they going to go up? There's a lot of things that occur with the cost of materials. If gasoline goes up, it increases the cost of materials because it costs more money to transport them and stuff of that nature. So the budget matrix is very, very important. Any questions, feel free to call one of our staff members at any of our locations. Thank you.